In today's video, I'm going to teach you create your own storybook for kids like a pro with Canva and ChatGPT. We'll start by drafting the story with ChatGPT. Open a new chat and use a clear, specific prompt, so the tone and structure fit young readers. For example, ask it to write a 10-page children's story for ages 4 to 6 about a shy robot who finds a magical paintbrush. And include a moral about self-confidence. Keep your request simple and focused. Because kids' stories work best with short sentences, gentle pacing, and a clear lesson at the end. If the first draft feels too long or complex, tell ChatGPT to shorten each page to 1 or 2 sentences and use friendly, age-appropriate language. Next, break it down for design. Ask ChatGPT to divide the story into 10 scenes with a brief description for each page. This scene-by-scene outline becomes your blueprint in Canva, making it easy to match each page with the right picture and text placement. You can also request consistent character details like the robot's color or the look of the paintbrush so your visuals stay cohesive from page to page. Now, let's design the layout in Canva. On the home page, search for Storybook or Children's Book. Browse the pre-made layouts and pick a template that already includes multiple pages. Choose one that matches your story's vibe. Playful, bright, and easy to read. Replace the placeholder text with your page-by-page script, keeping each page to just a few short lines. For images, go to Elements or Magic Media and under Images. Search your topics such as shy robot, magical paintbrush, colorful city, and drag the images you like onto the canvas. Aim for a consistent style throughout. If you prefer, mix generated images with photos or illustrations from Canva's library. Adjust the composition so T here is clear space for text and the main action is easy for kids to follow. When you add text, pick kid-friendly fonts like Comic Sans or Fredoka 1. Make the font size large and legible. If your background is busy, place the text over a semi-transparent shape so it stands out without covering the art. Keep line spacing comfortable and avoid long paragraphs. Enhance each page with stickers, frames, and icons from Canva's library for a professional finish. A few well-placed elements can add charm. But don't overcrowd the page, let your main illustration shine. When everything looks right, export your book. Choose PDF print for high-quality physical copies, or PDF standard for ebooks to share online. Thanks for watching.